I am doing my video a little bit early today because I have got a meeting at 12:30. So today I am showing you how to do something ever so simple, and this is something I never ever do because I always find it way too complicated. And I'm making pastry. I'm making a puff pastry, but all the different types of pastries, you know, that you could make in the Thermomix are like sweet short. You could make an almond pastry. You could do a gluten-free pastry or a sour cream pastry, and they all have the recipes just in Cookadoo that you totally, you know, that you just follow along. The pastry that I am making today is for we're doing a chicken galette, and it's something that I've made a couple of weeks ago. The family absolutely raved over it. I'm away next week. I'm going to Port Douglas for the Thermomix annual celebrations, which I was chuffed to earn a place on. And so Ollie is making this chicken galette because Mum and Dad are coming up. So Ollie's making it tonight. I'm just making the pastry because I wanted to show you. And this dish is just phenomenal. But all I'm going to do is, if you wanted to make your own pastry, you can just search on Cookadoo, which is the online cookbook, and put in different types of pastries and